Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap.
This is so good. Okay, let me put my mug down. Okay, my cup of courage mug, and then of course, oh, let me put this down as well too. Hat of the day. This is really not really a hat, it's sort of a mask, but this part is the hat too. You know, anything with feathers, anything that peeps on top of my head, I feel like it's a combination mask hat. Okay, let's just say that. I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna just kill it, and somebody's gonna write down there below and say, are you crazy? It's just a regular what do you call it, Mardi Gras, or what do you call it, masquerade ball hat, or I mean a mask, or either a Mardi Gras. But you know what? I just do whatever I like to do. I know it's in March that they do this, you know, wear the mask and all that stuff, but you know what? I don't care. I'm doing it in September, and I want to start off with you guys. So you're gonna watch me put this on real quickly, and then we're gonna go right into our peach recipe. Oh, I'm doing it right now. I'm squishing my eyes. Oh, oh, oh. I'm sorry. I sound like I'm like, whoa, whoa. You're wondering what that is. Well, I'm just tussling and putting on my mask.